Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Abhinaya. My hall ticket number is 22B010598. Now I am going to say a code based on rearrangement of an array based on given condition. Guided by Dr. M. Prasad, Associate Professor, Department of CSC, Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women, Autonomous, Bhimavaram. Here is the question. Rearrangement array such that even positioned are greater than odd. Given an array of n elements, sort the array according to the following relations. Relations are a of I greater than or equal to a of I minus 1 if I is even, and a of I less than or equal to a of I minus 1 if I is odd. Here is the sample input and output. Let's check. Approach for the above problem. For this problem, there are many solutions as given. Here are the 5 cases, that is 15243, 14253, 25143, 25341, 24351. For the given question, A is equal to I 15324. So, based on the observation from the previous slide, there are many different solutions for the given question, but we should follow a process. For that, we should follow the following steps. First step is sort the given array in ascending order by using bubble sort. Create a temporary array B of size equal to A. Declare the variable 1 pointing the starting index of the array A and the other pointing to the ending index of the sorted array A. Now traverse the sorted array A. For every odd iteration, append the value of array A pointed by the first variable, then increment the variable, and for every odd iteration, append the value of array A pointed by the variable at back and decrease the variable to point previous index. Assign array B to array A. The final array A is one of the possible rearrangements that satisfies the given condition. Let's check. Here there is an example, that is A is equal to 1, 5, 3, 2, 4. After sorting, it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in ascending order. Now we are declaring variables where 1 is equal to 1, where 2 is equal to 5, and temporary array B of same size of A. For iteration 1, B is equal to 1, where 1 is equal to 2, where 2 is equal to 5. Here this is the algorithm for the problem. Now let us write a code for the given problem. Here I am using the header file, that is hash include stdio.h. Void main, because I don't want any return value from the main. Then declaring the variables, that is int main, that is int temporary variable, n number of array elements, a of 20, that is array, I comma j for iterations. Now I am writing a printf statement, that is enter the size of array. That I am going to scan in n, that is %d comma ampersand n. Printf enter array elements. This I am going to store in the variable A, that is this is an array, so we should use loop for scanning the elements. I is equal to 1, I less than n plus 1, I less than n plus 1, I plus plus. And scanf statement, that is percentage d comma ampersand of a of I. Here I am writing program. Here I am writing for loop for sorting the elements, that is for I is equal to n, I greater than 1, I minus minus, and j for j is equal to 1, j less than n, j plus plus, I am initializing temp with 0, and now I am writing if condition, that is if of a of j greater than a of j plus 1, temp is equal to a of j. That means I am swapping the elements a of j and a of j plus 1. If a of j greater than a of j plus 1, a of j is equal to a of j plus 1, and a of j plus 1 is equal to temp. That I am closing the for loops, both the for loops. I am writing a printf statement, that is after sorting in ascending order. For I equal to 1, I less than n plus 1, I plus plus, printf percentage d, I want add space between the elements, and a of I. Print backslash n, I want new line, int var1 equal to 1, var2 equal to 5. This is another temporary array which is of size n. For I equal to 1, I less than n plus 1, I plus plus, as we seen in the algorithm, that is if I percentile 2 not equal to 0, then b of I is equal to a of var1, and I am closing this bracket, and var1 is incremented with 1. Closing the if, writing else b of I is equal to A of where 2. And where 2 minus minus is decremented by 1. Where 2 minus minus and closing the for. Now I am copying B into A. For that I am using loop. For I is equal to 1, I less than n plus 1, I plus plus. Here I am using 1 based index. So I am starting the elements with I is equal to 1 and initializing A of I is equal to B of I. That is, I am copying B into A. I am printing the elements, that is printf after rearrangement. After rearrangement, for printing I am using for loop. For I is equal to 1, I less than n plus 1, comma, I plus plus. Printing the values, I am writing printf, that is printf percentage d, I want tab space and backslash t, comma, A of I. Closing the main. This is the program for the given question. Let's run the program. Oh, it is an error. Oh, where? It's not where. It's where 1. Let's check. Here I am giving 5 elements, that is 5. Enter array elements, that is I am taking 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Here we can see after sorting in ascending order, the values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the rearrangement is 1, 5, 2, 4, 3. In this way, we can write the program for the given question. Thanks for watching and subscribe our channel.